Welcome back to Easy Driver for part 2 of our Cadillac vs Acura series. Thank you for visiting. Please comment, subscribe, share and like our video. In this segment, we'll shift our focus to pricing and customer satisfaction, and deliver the conclusive verdict. Interior design and comfort of Cadillac. Stepping inside a Cadillac, you'll find yourself immersed in an atmosphere of refined luxury and comfort. Cadillac pays meticulous attention to interior materials, craftsmanship, and comfort to ensure a top-notch driving experience. Plush seating, premium leather upholstery, and high-quality finishes are just some of the elements that contribute to the overall elegance of Cadillac interiors. Furthermore, ample legroom and intuitive layout create an inviting space for both drivers and passengers. Interior design and comfort of Acura. Acura places emphasis on blending comfort with a sporty ambiance within their interiors. The brand's interior design prioritizes ergonomics, driver-centric layouts, and the use of high-quality materials. Acura models offer supportive seating, modern styling, and innovative features that enhance the driving experience. The interior of an Acura vehicle provides a harmonious balance of comfort and performance, making it an appealing choice for those seeking both luxury and athleticism. Tech and safety features in Cadillac. Cadillac is at the forefront of integrating cutting-edge technology and safety features into their vehicles. From advanced infotainment systems to driver assistance technologies, Cadillac models prioritize convenience, connectivity, and safety. Features like touchscreen displays, voice recognition, wireless charging, and active safety systems contribute to a seamless and secure driving experience. Tech and safety features in Acura. Similar to Cadillac, Acura incorporates notable tech and safety features into their lineup. Acura vehicles come equipped with intuitive infotainment systems, smartphone integration, and advanced driver assistance systems. The brand's commitment to safety is evident through features such as collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. Acura ensures that drivers can enjoy a connected and protected ride. When it comes to design and features, both Cadillac and Acura have their own unique appeal. Cadillac emphasizes elegance and luxury, while Acura offers a blend of sportiness and sophistication. Additionally, both automakers prioritize integrating innovative technology and safety features to enhance the overall driving experience. Whether you lean towards the sleekness of Cadillac or the dynamic nature of Acura, both brands strive to provide exceptional design and features for discerning car enthusiasts. Pricing and value for money. When comparing two luxury car brands like Cadillac and Acura, one of the crucial factors to consider is pricing and value for money. Let's explore the price ranges of Cadillac and Acura models, as well as their resale values. Price range of Cadillac models. Cadillac offers a range of models that cater to various needs and preferences. The price range for Cadillac models typically starts around the mid to high $30s and can go up to the six-figure range for their top-tier luxury vehicles. Here is a breakdown of some popular Cadillac models along with their approximate starting prices. Cadillac CT4, starting around $34,000. Cadillac CT5, starting around $37,000. Cadillac XT4, starting around $35,000. Cadillac XT5, starting around $44,000. Cadillac XT6, starting around $48,000. Cadillac Escalade, starting around $77,000. Do keep in mind that these prices are approximate and subject to change based on factors like trim levels, optional features, and customization choices. Price range of Acura models. Similar to Cadillac, Acura offers a diverse lineup of luxury vehicles with varying price points. Acura models generally have a slightly lower price range compared to Cadillac. Here are some examples of popular Acura models and their starting prices. Acura ILX, starting around $26,000. Acura TLX, starting around $37,000. Acura RDX, starting around $38,000. Acura MDX, starting around $45,000. Acura NSX, starting around $157,000. These prices are approximate and can fluctuate depending on additional features and options selected. Resale value of Cadillac. Cadillac vehicles have demonstrated solid resale value over the years. While it's essential to note that specific factors such as mileage, condition, and market demand can influence resale value, Cadillacs generally retain their value well. Investing in a Cadillac can be a wise decision, as you may have the opportunity to recoup a significant portion of your initial investment when it's time to sell or trade in. Resale value of Acura. Acura vehicles also tend to retain their value, making them a noteworthy option for those concerned about long-term value retention. Acura's reputation for reliability and quality plays a significant role in maintaining resale value. When considering an Acura purchase, it's important to keep in mind that regular maintenance and careful driving habits can help maximize the resale value of your vehicle. Overall, both Cadillac and Acura offer luxury vehicles with varying price ranges to accommodate different budgets. When making a decision, it's crucial to assess how these luxury cars align with your needs, preferences, and long-term value goals. Reliability and maintenance. When it comes to choosing between two luxury car brands like Cadillac and Acura, reliability and maintenance are crucial factors to consider. Let's delve into the reliability ratings and maintenance costs of both brands to help you make an informed decision. Reliability ratings of Cadillac. Cadillac vehicles have built a reputation for their solid reliability over the years. According to various consumer reports and industry experts, Cadillac consistently scores well in terms of reliability. The brand has made significant improvements in recent years, enhancing their manufacturing processes and incorporating high-quality components into their vehicles. Owners of Cadillac cars often praise their vehicles for their durability and dependability. Cadillac's commitment to producing reliable cars is reflected in their consistently positive ratings and reviews. Reliability ratings of Acura. Similarly, Acura is renowned for its reliability and has earned a solid reputation in the luxury car market. Acura vehicles consistently rank high in reliability ratings, with consumers reporting fewer complaints and issues compared to other luxury car brands. Acura's attention to detail in their manufacturing processes and the use of dependable components have contributed to their reputation for producing reliable vehicles. Owners of Acura cars often appreciate the peace of mind that comes with driving a vehicle known for its reliability. Maintenance costs of Cadillac. When it comes to maintenance costs, Cadillac vehicles tend to be on par with other luxury car brands. As with any luxury vehicle, routine maintenance and repairs for Cadillac cars may be slightly higher compared to non-luxury vehicles. However, Cadillac offers comprehensive warranty coverage and reliable service centers, which can help mitigate maintenance costs. It's important to note that specific maintenance costs can vary depending on the model and age of the Cadillac vehicle. Maintenance costs of Acura. Acura vehicles also come with similar maintenance costs associated with luxury car brands. While routine maintenance and repairs may be slightly higher, Acura provides excellent warranty options and a network of authorized service centers. Acura's commitment to customer satisfaction extends to its maintenance services, offering competitive pricing and reliable support. Keep in mind that the maintenance costs can vary based on the Acura model and its age. In summary, both Cadillac and Acura have established themselves as reliable luxury car brands. They consistently receive positive reliability ratings and offer dependable vehicles. When it comes to maintenance costs, both brands align with the industry standards for luxury vehicles. Consider your personal preferences, budget, and specific vehicle models when making a decision between Cadillac and Acura. Thank you for tuning in to Part 2, where we've dissected pricing and customer satisfaction, and presented the final verdict in our Cadillac versus Acura comparison. If you found this series helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Equipped with insights from both parts, you're ready to make an educated decision between Cadillac and Acura. Until next time, happy driving. Thank you for watching.